How to change business name. Are you facing is to change out your business name on WhatsApp business application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp business application on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download WhatsApp business application on your mobile devices, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this three dot icon or menu icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, select the last option, Settings. After you select Settings, you can see multiple options. Tap on your profile icon. After you click on it, you can see this option for business name. You are looking to change up your business name, right? Select the first option. After you select it, just write down the name according to your preference. Once you write down your name, click on OK, which is located at the right bottom of your screen. Tap on OK, and your business name will be instantly changed. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to change your business name on WhatsApp business profile. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.